Hi there, and welcome to my channel. If you're ready to jump into the world of C# programming, you have come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through setting up your development environment, installing the .NET SDK, and writing your very first C# program in just 7 steps. So grab your laptop and let's get started. So first things first, let's start by installing the IDE. In this video, I'm going to use VS Code. So in just few steps, I will show you how to install VS Code in the Windows operating system. First, you have to grab the latest version from the official website and select download. After downloading the setup, you can simply double click or select the downloaded file, then continue to install. You can select the default path and click next. So I will be selecting all the options in the other section to make sure that it will give me the best user experience while I'm using the VS Code, and click next. Once you're done, you can simply install the setup. After you complete the installation, you can click finish and this will open the VS Code in the default settings. You can change the settings, you can update anything, but this tutorial is about .NET and C#. So we will be closing the IDE and we will be going into the next step of installing the .NET SDK. For that, you will go to the official website of .NET Framework and download the .NET SDK from that link. After downloading the setup, you can install with the default settings. After the installation is completed, you can simply close the .NET installation window setup. Then, to make sure if everything is working fine, what you can do is open the terminal, open the command prompt and type .NET space -- version. So it gives the version number. That means it is correctly installed and you can continue to create your first project in C#. In the next step, create a folder, and inside that folder you can open the terminal to create the new project in C# and type the following command in the command prompt. And this will create the project in the project destination. The next step is to open your project in the VS Code. So navigate into the project folder and open the terminal and type code space dot. Open the program.cs. So this should contain the default Hello World program. So now let's just run a simple program in C#. For that, I'm going to add the skeleton code into the program.cs file, which contains the class and the main method and a terminal command to print hello world message on the terminal. Once you complete the skeleton code, you can compile and run the program by running the following command in the terminal. Now we have completed the most important parts in this tutorial. You know how to create your first project, you know how to open the project, write your first program, and run your first program. Let me show you a simple example of how we can take user. Let's modify our code a bit to ask for the user's name. So you can create a string variable named name and write this command console.readline, which will capture the user input. Then you can simply write the console.writeLine command again, but this time we will be using a special syntax. So in C#, if you want to print a variable in line with the string that you want to print, you can simply add a $sign before the inverted commas, and the variable that you want to print can be surrounded with curly braces. So this will print out the variable name. So as you can see in the output, you can enter the name and the message will be printed as hello with the name that you have entered. So with that, the example code is done. And there you have it. You have successfully set up the environment and created a new C# project and written your first program. You are officially on your way to becoming a C# developer. As you get more comfortable, try creating new classes, using collections, or experimenting with object-oriented concepts like inheritance and polymorphism. The sky's the limit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will never miss another video on C#. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Happy coding everyone, and I will see you in the next one.